Worthy principal, respected teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. With due respect and great reverence, we are celebrating the day of defense, a cunning enemy we had to face, but we accomplished our work with grace. Yes, my dear fellows, on 6th September 1965 is the day when India attacked our dear homeland in the darkness of night like a cunning thief. The Indians were so sure of their success that they settled among themselves to celebrate the victory a few hours later in Lahore. They were armed with all kinds of weapons. Honorable Principal, as history tells us that Abra, who was a non-believer and arrogant king, attacked the sacred house of Allah, Hana Kaaba, led his army with black elephants. In the same manner, Indian attacked our country while their black, Russian and American tanks were ahead of them and their vulture-like fighter planes hovering above the air. But what a courage, boldness and bravery were demonstrated by the Pakistani nation. As soon as the news of attack was heard, a wave of oneness, boldness, sacrifice and patriotism ran through the whole nation. The entire world knows that in 1965, how the fearless, courageous and daring tigers of Pakistan army crushed the planned, organized and secret aggression of the enemy. They tied the bombs with their bodies and were ready to sacrifice their precious lives for the motherland. By laying under the enemy's tanks, they wrecked gigantic tanks in a shake, which reduced all the pride and boldness of the large Indian army to ashes. In the words of Iqbal, न समझोगे तो मिट जाओगे हिंदुस्तान वालों, तुम्हारी दास्तां तक न होगी दास्तानों में. Thanks for